Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discuss with you how to change language in People mobile app. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to change the language on your People app here and maybe like use it in a different language, well, there are a few things that you may want to know. Now, if you just want to change the actual language on the app itself, well, this one is going to be kind of difficult. So if you try accessing your settings here inside People and go to your settings, as you can see right now, there are no options here that allows you to change or update your language. Now, as you can see right now, it's blacked out. But then again, you won't see any options for People to update the language. Now, the thing with People here and for most apps as of right now, they adapt automatically to the language that your phone currently has. Now, in order for you to start using People in a different language, you need to also update the language on your phone. So that includes updating, or in this case, using your phone totally in a different language. Now, how to exactly do that? Well, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your settings. Now, in here, you want to look for language or display. So it depends totally on your phone, but in my case, I want to go ahead and just access additional settings first. And in here, you should see languages and input. Let's go and access that one. Go to languages, and from here, you want to go and just choose the language that you want to use. Now, once you've selected that, just make sure to fully close People first. And once you've closed People and switch over to a different language, you want to go ahead and close this page here, open up People again, and see if that actually helps. And that's about it. So, for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.